Buongiorno! Hi everyone, good morning, buongiorno. From the Embassy of Italy in Bahrain, we are here with you to make together a very easy gelato ice cream. Of course, the temperature are going high, it's getting hotter and hotter, and what's better than a refreshing gelato? This one is going to be very easy, very simple, very healthy actually. Claudia, would you like to tell us what are the ingredients?
Of course.
That we will have today?
The ingredients for the homemade gelato are the following: 1 to 2 bananas, half a lemon, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, chocolate chips, and a cone or a cup for serving.
So, are you girls ready?
We're
ready.
Born ready. Come on, let's go.
Okay, I want to be your supporter because also in this case, the girls never did this recipe.
Never.
I'm testing you. It's like
yeah.
No, anyway, so we will start with peeling the bananas and cut them.
So we will need obviously the bananas.
Very ripe bananas.
Yeah.
So they have to be nice and creamy.
Exactly.
Already. You know when you just forget your bananas over there for instance, and they're just getting a little bit tired and like, oh no, tomorrow I'm gonna have them, and then tomorrow comes and then it's going to be the day after tomorrow, and then they become brown basically. So they're still good. They don't need to be thrown away, but we can use them to make this gelato.
Yeah.
And by the way, whilst Julia is cutting, the question is, what is your favorite ice cream flavor?
I really like the fruit flavors. For example, strawberry, banana, mango. I really like those
mango.
ones.
Oh,
yeah,
yes.
I really like those ones. The more tropical one. Oh.
I had one recently, a very special mango gelato. I never had it before, and it was
delicious.
oh my gosh, it was like blown away.
What about you, Julia? I'm more of a person who likes like chocolate and vanilla, so I love stracciatella, which is really like a mix of basically like chocolate and kind of vanilla, and I love it. Yeah, it's the best.
Wow, fantastic. Unfortunately, I like all of them. I'm kidding, you know, like sometimes maybe
you're more in the mood for one,
and
then you get
for instance, sometimes in Italy it's really hot, and it is so hot that you really want to get refreshed, and in that sense I prefer the fruity ones because they really take the thirstiness, whatever, away from you.
Yeah.
It's really refreshing. But sometimes when I really want to indulge myself, that's when I get pistachio and hazelnut. Oh,
so good!
Mamma mia, that's fantastic. Anyways, exactly. So here we have the bananas ready to be put inside this little bowl.
Exactly.
And then Claudia, we're going to put some lemon juice.
Put some lemon, In order to prevent them from getting oxidated and brown, we will pour some lemon. And we will need the bridge technique in order to cut the lemons, which means you will take your thumb and your index finger, we'll place them like this on your lemon, and then you will start to cut the lemon.
And remember to do it with your parents because it's always important. Safety is always very important.
Safety first.
Safety first, guys.
Yeah. So once we got the lemons cut, we will squeeze them in the bananas.
I mean,
the more the better.
Yeah, because eventually it doesn't just prevent the bananas from going brownish from the oxygen, but it also gives a very nice flavor. If you don't have a lemon, you want to use lime, for instance, that's totally fine. That's another option actually. Right, so these are ready, and what we're gonna do with these bananas, we're going to freeze them for 5-6 hours, or just until they get really hard. Okay, so we're gonna put them in the freezer. the bananas are ready. And here they are. Yes, right from the freezer. You know, girls, when you make gelato, you really have to be happy.
Yes,
basically.
of course.
If more than before, basically. So that's a special trick to make the recipe extra delicious.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, so what we are going to do with these ripe bananas, right, we're going to take this food processor, so I hope this is going to be okay. It's very simple, very easy, any type of blade. We put the bananas first inside, these girls. Fantastico. Then we have the second piece. So, don't get scared now, it's going to be a little bit noisy, but let's go. Let's put the turbo. Yes, you see it's getting in small pieces. What we're going to do is that we are slowly putting the ice cream from the top here, whilst I keep mixing it. So, Claudia. Nice. Okay, what we need to do now is just to remove maybe some little pieces of banana that might be stuck on the walls of our mixer. Wow, that's really nice, girls.
Such a good
Yeah,
smell. Banana, like this
Yeah.
is great.
Look at this. Wow, it's cool. It definitely is going to be a very healthy, we call it in Italian, merenda. So that's a term only for snacking in the afternoon. Of course, like when you make gelato, you have to be happy.
Happy,
Like,
of
it's just-
course.
it's just-
Gelato is the best. Like, come
It's
on.
part of the ingredients.
Esatto,
Being happy.
esatto,
Yeah.
esatto. Don't forget to put all your happiness in your recipe.
Yes, right.
Okay, I think, girls, we're ready.
We're getting there, come on.
Wow, fantastico. Now, what every ice cream shop would ask you. Would you like cono or coppetta? Which means a cone or bowl. There are
Yeah.
people that only want to have cone
Right.
and people that only want to have a coppetta,
Yes.
the bowl.
Right.
So what do you want, girls?
I want the cone cono because
Ah.
you know it's always very very yummy.
And another question, on top of your ice cream, would you like some chocolate chips or would you like some cinnamon?
I think since I love chocolate, I'm gonna take some chocolate.
Fantastic.
How is it, Julia?
Yes?
It's really good.
Yes? Okay.
It's
And
really
we
good.
didn't add any sugar as well.
No sugar, yeah.
That's something that we need to
It's
say
really
as well.
good. Guys, you have to try that.
It really took us, what, 1 minute to prepare it? I would like to try to maybe other fruit as well.
Yeah.
Like banana with strawberries, for instance. I think that's...
That would be a good combo.
yeah, I think that probably the banana gives the thickness, so I guess you need the banana, but then you can add other things as well. Heart. It's like, ciao everybody.
Bye.
Enjoy
Bye.
it.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Cheers.